All right, what's up, everybody? Man, it's been a minute since I have been able to get out and fish. Seems like it's been at least 2 weeks, maybe longer. So I'm just gonna hit the creek. I'm gonna walk the creek. It's been raining most of the day today, but I'm gonna walk a little bit. I got about 2.5-ish hours, depending on how much sunlight I got with all the clouds. So we'll see how we do. Let's get it. So this is like the first kind of hole that I come to. I came all the way down to the end of the soccer fields down here. Got a little bit of moving water. I'm trying I don't know if this is it's green pumpkin or if it's just a green. I can't remember the color, but it's a crack and crawl. And I'm trying to rig it weedless so I don't get hung up in all these rocks. But water's not moving very much, but there's a little movement here. So we're gonna give it a shot if I can keep it out of the tree behind me. It's a good idea. Let's try that again. There we go. I didn't put a weight on this either. I'm just gonna try it and see how it goes without the weight on it. I'm not wearing my polarized glasses, so I won't be able to see very much in the water anyway, because there's no sunshine really, but I guess I could wear them anyway. See if there's anything hanging out by this rock over there. This may drift a little. A little bump. Oh shoot. Something grabbed it. Let's see, they took a claw off. No. I tried to get it. So it's kind of a light green on one side with a lot of dark specks, dark green on the other. There we go. That's a good shot. And I got a bunch of backlash. And I got a fish hitting my line. Well, nothing like having to retie after your third cast. That is awesome. Jeez. All right, here we go. All right, let's get wet. Water is way colder than I thought it was going to be. Wow. Here we go. Got stuff nibbling at it. Concerned that the deep spots aren't going to be deep. I'm getting nibbled like crazy. Last time I was up at this section, which is real skinny, it was quite a bit deeper. All this rock here was covered, at least a little bit, so it's pretty far down. So I moved spots, trying to find some deeper water. Hopefully decent sized fish too. Still got the crawl on. Oh, I may have one, finally. I got lucky. Little warmouth. Little warmouth. These dudes are so aggressive. Alright, easy, buddy. So here's the fish, and here is the bait. Let's put it right next to him. These dudes are aggressive. Sheesh. Hey, hey. First fish, I'll take it. Nothing wrong with little warmouth. Finally got something. I think it's a bass. Yep, that's a bass. It's not huge. Let's see if I can get him in. Oh, that's decent though. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Off the crawl, just threw it out in the middle of the creek, hoping there'd be something out there. That's a smallie, I think. Oh man. Easy, buddy, easy. Easy. That's a smallie. Look at that. That's a pretty brown one there. I don't even have a measuring board with me. Let's get him out in the sun. Well, there's no sun, but you know what I'm saying. Get him on this side. A little light on him. Look at that. That's a pretty one. Nice little smallie. Sweet. That just made the day right there. Yeah, maybe 12. Let's see. He is... Let's compare it to my foot. I'll have to measure my foot when I get home. I think these are 10s, but we'll see. All right. Well, gonna get him back in. Oh yeah. Liking that. That's the first smallie off the bank. Usually, I mean, I've caught some walk in the stream, but I've never caught one like right off the bank like that. So, all right, dude. This is the Kraken Crawl Junior. I think I showed it to you before, but let's see if we can get a background on it that you can. So that's the little junior one. Just do it right out here in the middle. Started working it back, he hit it. It's nice. See if there's another one hanging out up there. I got a little something. What is this? Oh, it's a little man. I don't know if that's a rock bass or what that is. I can't tell. I think that's a rock bass. All right, so I had to add a little more time here, but that's a pretty little fish. I think that's a rock bass. Y'all let me know. I'm not positive. I don't think it's a warmouth though, because the warmouth has the green around the gill and he doesn't. Maybe it's a little rock bass. All right, cool. All right, well, it's getting dark, so I'm heading in. And 3 fish, a couple hours, it's not too bad. It'd be nice to get at least one more, but we'll see. I may fish a little bit more on my way back to the truck.